Namaste, I'm Sunmeet, and I want to tell you about this beautiful 5 a.m. club that I'm a part of, and we do SAVERS together. SAVERS stand for silence, affirmations, visualization, exercise, reading and scripting. So every day we do a guided meditation, we listen to motivational talks, we read a few pages of a motivational book, we dance together, we script various things like what our future looks like and what is it that we want to manifest. We do a lot of gratitude, we do a lot of affirmations, and all these activities in the last 2+ years that I'm doing. So many desires of mine have come true. I have a better mindset, I feel more positive, I'm more hopeful, more optimistic. I feel that my life is in my own hands and I can pretty much script my future. Everything is in my control. I don't feel helpless or powerless anymore. And we've decided to open this space to the rest of the world in 2023 because happiness is best shared. So do join our community. Our group's name is Ananthaa, which means limitless and infinite. So do join our space, do join our program which starts early next year, and let's create magic and miracles together. Thank you.